Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we add two numbers in C language. Now let's get started. First of all, we create a file, add two numbers dot C. We include studio studio dot we declare a variable int x and we take input from user. Uh, and percent d and x. Now we declare another variable int y. We copy these two lines. Copy these two lines and paste it the first number. Set second number, and here it we put semicolon. Declare another variable int z, where int sum, where we take here we add these variables x plus y. Now print this sum. Percent the sum is the sum of two numbers is and percent d, comma sum. Now we return. Now we can run it. As you can see here, we enter first number like say 5, enter second 4, and the sum of two numbers. Oh, here is a mistake. Int, here we have to put y. Now we again run it. The first name here 5 and here sum of two numbers is 9. Now can put some space also to have it clear. First number 5 and second number 4. The sum of two numbers is 9. Thank you guys.